and I'm just gonna wake up. It's PM, guys. I'm here. Need my daddy's wake up. Daddy.
Hello.
Hi guys, and this is Daddy. My tablet. And di ba my favorite Washington? My favorite pillow. Now, my favorite. This is my favorite pen. Please look. Favorite pen. It's much bigger than your bed, guys. As you guys know, I'm here in my house. PM. I'm still wake up PM. I'm not sleeping until it's not PM.